this particular trek, we are doing it in a different style. All the people that you're seeing in the video are the batchmates from my basic mountaineering course, and this time we are not carrying our tents with us, so we'll be requesting locals to let us stay in their home for 2 to 3 consecutive nights, and the aim is to do a really good one and a less known range trek. We started our trail at 8:30 AM from Fanas Rai, and Fanas in Marathi is jackfruit, and Rai is generally called a dense forest. And on this trail also you can see these route markers which will guide you through your route. We are walking on the ridge. So we are up close to Dhak Bahiri. In order to reach there, we'll climb up this hill, go to that plateau and descend down. We are going to go towards the left in this area. We have to enter the area between the pinnacle and the rock face. This is where we need to go. So now the trek has become a little interesting. The guy with the best calves in the group. So guys, after getting down from this place, we'll have the valley towards left and you have to go on this side. So for people's safety, an iron rod has been installed here.
Yeah, this is very tough.
Hey, don't hold the rope.
It's
Bhaiya.
without holding rope you can't.
Guys, this is a point where we would recommend everyone to just remove their sandals to have a better grip. Aram se. Woo! So we're in the last section of the trail. So now there is no other option except coming through this.
Really challenging for me.
Woo! We made it. Yay! Yeah!
It's really very tough, yeah, for me.
The caves are not that clean. It feels very sad when you climb up this high and you see that the place is
Contaminated.
So we are starting our descent.
It's really very tough for me. Really. It's not jute here.
Chalo. So guys, it has been an amazing experience. From here we'll be heading towards Bhima Shankar. I'll tell you the place with the route. This is a small diversion. Chalo. We are on the move. Guys, don't trust these ropes. Maximum time, try to come down using holds. Guys, the trek is not tough. It may become extremely slippery during monsoons, but all you need to do is be a little careful. That's it. So guys, we are back at the point where the route actually diverted. We came from this side and we went here for Dhak. We came back and now we are going to go this side to continue our Lonavala to Bhima Shankar trail. waterfall go.
What is this? Why is
This is fashion. Yesterday.
This is a necklace.
ये कल मैं फैशन में कट स्लीव पहन के ट्रैकिंग कर रहा था. This is the result and nature have given me punishment.